Welcome to the School of Professional Advancement. At SPA, our mission is to give students hands-on knowledge about the industry related, and my name is Dr. Imran Sadiq and I'm the Director of School of Professional Advancement.
We encourage students to think critically about their academics and personal frames of references.
We offer a variety of programs from certificates to graduate degrees. At undergraduate level, we offer BS in Hospitality and Tourism Management, BS in Sports Management. Our bachelor's in Professional Studies in ICT, Project Management, Human Resource Management, Supply Chain Management, and Marketing Management. At graduate level, we offer MS in Project Management.
Our programs are designed to meet the needs of working professionals, blended with classroom learnings and industry expertise. We offer a flexible class schedule along with online lecture facilities.
Our faculty brings real-time experience to the classroom by learning through doing to share the real-world experiences with the students.
We provide a range of services including career counseling, mentoring, and opportunities for networking.
Apply now and take first step towards professional advancement.